So this is a real setup working, and now we can see what your system will look like mounted on a wall in your house, in your garage. We've got solar panels on the roof up here. What we can't see is on the other side of this wall we've got some cable coming down into the trunking, and that's making its way through the wall into these DC isolators. So we can isolate that DC current coming from the panels if we ever need to. If we ever need to change this out or something like that, we can isolate that power here. And then it's making its way, the energy, into the inverter where it's being converted. So the inverter's the bit of the component in the system that's changing that current so you can use it in the house. It will then pass from the inverter down through that little meter we looked at earlier, it's a little TGM meter. That basically is going to tell you how much energy your PV system has produced. Once it's passed through there, it's making its way back to the fuse board in the house so that it can be distributed where it's required. But before it goes to that fuse board, it's going to pass through this. This is the AC isolator. So electrician comes, needs to do something on your fuse board. He's going to turn this off to isolate the power coming down from your roof. So we can work on that fuse board without having to worry about any of this energy, giving me a nice little zap. We don't want that happening. So that's what the AC isolator is there for, really important. So as you can see, yep, it's all pretty neat and tidy. And once it's obviously working and all set up, it's pretty much maintenance free, so you leave it as it is, it will generate your energy, and you just need to keep a little eye on this thing, little light here on your meter here, which is indicating the PV system is working and running, which is where we want to be, because it means you're not then buying it in from the grid.